One of the latest Concur enhancements is the new mileage calculator. This new functionality automatically bases the different annual mileage rates on the travel and transaction date. It also integrates Google Maps to enhance efficiency. First, let's create a new expense report or use an existing one and fill out the fields in the report header. In this example, I'm going to use an existing report that I created. This is the report header with the trip name, business travel start date, end date, and traveler type. I've selected the trip expenditure type, and I'm now going to select mileage for the trip purpose. Make sure to always include a detailed business purpose. Fill out the financial unit and click Save. Next step is to add an expense. Create a new expense. Search for personal car mileage business. And select mileage calculator. Enter the address of the starting point. Note that if you are using a home address, don't enter the exact address, as home addresses are considered PII or personal identifiable information. We recommend using the closest cross street. In this particular example, I'm going to use the general address for UC San Diego main campus. Then I'm going to enter the destination. And click on Calculate Route. If you have an additional stop, go ahead and enter it here. Otherwise, click on Make Round Trip. In this particular case, I didn't take the toll, so I'm going to click on Avoid Tolls. Then I'm going to click Make Round Trip. Right now, it's showing the mileage for one way. Once I click on Make Round Trip, it's going to automatically calculate it on the bottom for you. And it's going to have the points of origin and destination on the Google map right here. And then I'm going to click on Add Mileage to Expense. Check the information on this page to make sure it's correct and add any comments if you wish. This part is optional. To get an overview of the policy for mileage, search for the word mileage in Blink or blink.ucsd.edu. Click on Save, and then you're done.